So good morning friends. Here is the Nifty Biz investment strategy that I'm going to follow. Many people have asked that what is the strategy that we should follow in such scenario where the market is keep on going down and down every day, like 2-3% is the common nowadays. So what will be the strategy? Should we invest in the individual stock, or where should I invest? If I'm investing in the Nifty 50, the Nifty Bees or any other ETF, what should be the strategy? So I cannot say what you should follow, but what I am going to follow I can tell you. Okay, so here is my strategy. Suppose I want to invest 1 lakh rupee, then I will break that 1 lakh rupee into like this. Currently Nifty is trading around 10,400, and tomorrow it might get corrected about 2 to 300 point. If it will broke 10,300, then definitely it is going to come to 10,000 level. So I'm expecting it to be happen tomorrow itself. So this one is a predicted value, and it is a very near values. I'm not going too far. Whatever the values will be there when Nifty will come to 10,000, definitely Nifty B's level will be 106, 107, nearby that only. So I have predicted these values, and based on that I have done some calculations. Okay, here is my Nifty predicted level, this is my investment amount, and this much amount, this much quantity of Nifty B's will touch this 10,000 level. What I'm going to, I'll simply invest 10,000 in that Nifty B's without the second thought. If Nifty will touch that 9,500, I'll do again the same thing. I will invest 10,000 again. If Nifty will touch 9,000, then I'll double my investment. Here I am doubling my investment because 9,000 is a good support, and there I'm expecting a bounce back. And even that level is also got broken. Then what I'll do, I'll invest again 10,000 at 8,500 level, and most probably I'll get this level in the Nifty Biz. 1 rupee plus minus will be not affect on that much on our return what we are going to generate with this strategy. And again, if we'll see that 8,000 level, again I will double that amount, because I think that 8,000 is again a support level, and it should bounce back from there. If it is broken again, then still I'll be ready for the 7,500, then again 7,000 level. Till 7,000 I'm ready with this till 7,000. In between, from anywhere market can be bounce back. Okay, so we are not going to predict any levels. Okay, actually two kinds of investors are there. The one is the very aggressive investor. If they thought that market will be bounce back from the 10,000 or 9,000, what they will do, they'll put all money when they got their level. Suppose they are expecting 10,000, at the 10,000 they will put all their money. So this kind of strategy I won't suggest in such kind of scenario where the Nifty can, anytime Nifty can go 5-6% down. So I won't suggest this kind of investment. The other kind of investor is the defensive investor. If they thought, here right now what I did is I prepared for the 7,000 level, and the defensive investor, what they will do, if they think that the level of 7,000 can be touched by Nifty, what they will do, they will wait for the 7,000. Simply they will wait for the 7,000, and when the 7,000 will come now, there is psychological pressure will be there with them. What they will think now, they will think for the 6,000 and 5,000 level. So they will invest some amount there at 7,000, and they will wait for the 5,000 or 6,000. Okay, initially they thought that they will invest everything at the 7,000 only, but again they changed their mind. So this kind of mindset, they're expecting and predicting the same some values, it's you're not going to generate some good amount there. What happen if Nifty will touch 8,000 and goes back? Simply you're just watching that Nifty only, you haven't invested anywhere. So it's better to invest each and every level. It's much better. Now if you want to invest 10 lakhs, just in place of multiple 1, place it 10. The whole value will be changed accordingly. But currently we're discussing with the 1 lakh, so I'll make it 1 again. Total quantity, average cost, all will change accordingly. In the last time when Nifty got corrected, the huge correction, actually there is a minor correction, major correction and deep correction. 3 kind of correction is there: major, minor and the deep. So currently we are in the major correction, where Nifty had already corrected from the 10 to 15%, and most probably it will be move into the deep correction, because it is a 10 or 12 13 years has been already gone where Nifty haven't corrected such huge level, and that might be chances for the deep correction is there. Even if it won't, then we keep on investing at every level, so it won't affect us much. So what will be the return? Suppose after 2 years that Nifty will come back to its previous top, then we will get 50% on whatever we have invested. Suppose we have invested 1 lakhs, we will get 1,50,000. If you will invest 15 lakhs, so here is your return. This much amount you will get after 2 years. I'm not saying that after 2 years Nifty will come back to its previous level itself, but most of the time, last time when in the 2008, I can show you that in 2008 it got corrected, it came back to its previous value in 1.5 year or less than 2 year. It came back to its previous value. So I'm expecting the same this time also, even it can take 2.5 year or 3 years, but we are going to generate that amount. We are going to generate this return. Okay, it's a very safe strategy because it is a Nifty based the average of 50 companies. You are not going to invest in one company, and you're not just depend upon one company whether it will give that return or not. You can apply the same strategy with the one company also. The benefit is if that company perform well, then you will get 10 or 20 times or 15 times. It's up to that. Okay, so let's talk about some individual stock. Let's consider TCS. Just like Nifty, from top to bottom, in 2008 TCS came from 300 to 100 and then again make the top of 500. So here you are making much more money than Nifty, but the problem is whether the selected stock that you have selected had performed or not. Okay, just see the level from 100, near about 100, it goes back to 500. So you can make money in the individual stock also, but there are such cases are there where the stock have not performed in that correction. It happens many times. The very big companies, so many companies are there which in that correction completely got out from the market. Okay, you can select the individual stock, but it's somewhere it's risky. That's what I think. If you want a safe investment in such scenario where the market is keep on going with no one knows the level, so better go with the index. That is the chart of Maruti. From 1000 it came to 500, then again 1600. 3 times it multiplied in that 1 year time span only. The same will happen to the Reliance. Actually it took a long time, from 2012 to 2017 got corrected with a very narrow band, and then again it moved like anything. So there are many Hindustan Unilever, it won't affect the 2008 correction, that market crash. It won't it happened scenario in 2008. HUL won't much get affected that much, and currently ITC, see the level of ITC. So it depend in stocks, it depend upon the stock, which kind of stock you have selected and whether it will perform or not. So but from my side, what I'll do, I'll simply select the Nifty Bs. This is the index. Here is the Nifty chart, here is the Nifty Bs chart. So I'll select the index. Better to buy the 50 companies based on its performance. Whenever the market will get back to its level, we will generate our money. That's it. This is my simple strategy that I'm going to follow in this fall, and I'm going to take benefit as much as possible with this current scenario. So I'm hoping same with you. If you want to invest in the Nifty Bs, you can follow the same strategy, or whatever the changes you want to make, you can make the changes. If you want this Excel sheet, you can simply put a comment your email ID in the comment section, and I'll mail that Excel sheet into your mail ID. Thank you again guys for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.